If you're struggling with infertility from last so many years, and specifically if last so many cycles, if you're trying on a estrogen support and still your endometrium lining is not triple layer or even the thickness which you're getting while doing follicular monitoring, and if you're getting your endometrium lining not above 5 mm, then how we are going to work? So this is the case which today I'm going to explain you. And like this we are having a multiple cases which has been successfully done by the holistic integrated approach. What exactly the vision which we are putting in our treatment is the reconstruction method of our own tissue, which is the rejuvenation. So the today's case which I'm going to discuss with you, one patient, 34-year-old patient, she was trying to get a treatment from one various of doctors previously, and the treatment was going on very good way. Everything was done very nicely, but unfortunately, patient body response was not there to develop the endometrium lining, even with the estrogen support with so many cycles, recurrence cycles. Now, after that, when patient came to me and shown her previous all reports, and she was like in that mode कि अभी क्या करूँ डॉक्टर, बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ हो गई है, डॉक्टर ने मुझे बहुत सारे एस्ट्रोजन सपोर्ट्स, एस्ट्रोबेट, वजाइनल एस्ट्रोजन सपोर्ट, लोकल एस्ट्रोजन सपोर्ट, ओरल फॉर्म्स, इंजेक्टेबल फॉर्म्स, सब कुछ हो गया है, बट the doctor which was treating her was not getting appropriate markable ET lining and the thickness of the ET. So because of that, patient came to me and she asked me that is there any other way of management available to improve my endometrium lining? So I consulted her. I deeply examined her. I took her detailed history. And after starting of treatment, it's hardly 2 cycles we have done. The treatment which we are doing is completely based on integrated medicine base, which is Ayurveda base. Ayurveda, in the sense, it is not like that you have to stop everything and just do that jadi booty and all chikitsa. The holistic science or the integrated science definition is the intervention of multiple things together to reach up to the concluded result. It means where we need to focus that improvisation of circulation, the microcapillary circulation, we enhance her venous return. How we can enhance venous return? There are multiple researches are available that by some Ayurveda procedures, which we call the karmas, the panchakarmas, which is giving a good result to enhancement of your circulation. Detoxification of your body can helpful to improve your metabolism, reduces your internal inflammation. Fourth thing, some stress management, which is again the causative factor for internal cellular inflammation. So once we reduce the stresses by applying some multiple activities and the therapies, the internal cellular inflammation, the stress hormones, cortisol level get reduced, and the ultimatum results which we get to reconstruct, rejuvenate your own tissues. After the complete management of this treatment with exercise, dietary modulation, Ayurveda therapeutic way of management, treatment, oral Ayurvedic medications, counseling sessions, and major the exercise sessions. These 6 parameters, when we apply on the patient, the result which we get is completely magical. The doctor who were consulted for this infertility patient, him itself admire and accept that even after stopped every hormonal support, I stopped her every hormonal support, and after that I took her for the treatment. So after that, patient result within a 2 cycle was tremendously improved. And this is what today I'm showing you. These are the follicular studies, the previous follicular study, which is showing us on the estrogen support, she was suffering with no ET development or the less ET development. After that, patient has gone through a multiple treatment. And now, after the treatment, I stopped her all hormonal support, and I took her a completely lifestyle modification, completely the changes of her daily routine pattern, dietary pattern, enhancement, rejuvenation, reconstruction of tissue method. And after that, this is the latest her FM, follicular monitoring, where without any external support, her endometrium lining is triple layer with good follicular growth and a natural follicular growth and a natural endometrial lining growth with the good thickness and triple layer. Thank you so much. Myself, Dr. Pradnya, consulting Ayurveda physician, infertility expert in Gynovita Fertility and Wellness Clinic. If you are really suffering with such kind of thing where you're trying for multiple cycles with estrogen support and multiple hormone support and still your endometrium lining is not appropriate for conception, then visit me. Try to understand that how we can manage with the both modalities, with both allopathy way and the Ayurveda way management, how we can conclude the result and give you end results with the nice way. Thank you so much.